This screen recording is going to illustrate 3 different methods to insert images into your slideshow. So the first one I'm going to do is actually go to Tech Tips and Tools, go to your Grade 2 insect page, and then scroll all the way down. I am doing a dragonfly, so I'm actually going to click on the picture, and now I'm going to select Edit, Copy. So if you notice, I have another tab open with my slideshow, and I'm going to be able to go back and forth between the website and my slideshow. So now I'm going to press Edit, Paste. The image will probably be oversized, so I'm going to have to resize it. Takes a little while for it to load in. Here it is, creating image. Very large image. So I'm going to grab the corner, click, hold, and drag to shrink it. Then I'm going to move the file and shrink some more. Drag it. So if you notice, I am dragging it when my pointer changes to a 4-sided arrow. I can click, hold, and push the image. And now I'm just grabbing a corner and holding my mouse and dragging my finger on the trackpad. So I'm clicking on my left mouse, and now I'm dragging my finger on the trackpad while holding the mouse button down and shrinking it until it fits in the spot where I want it to go. And that's it for that method. On the next slide, I'm actually going to insert by a URL address. So I've introduced URL address to you before. That is the address that is in this white box. It is the location on the internet of where that item is living. So I'm going to click on the second, this dragonfly image, and this is the URL address. So I'm going to click inside the box, and now I'm going to press Control C, those 2 buttons at the same time, to actually copy this URL address. I'm now going to go back to my slideshow, and now I'm going to select Insert, Image, and I'm going to insert the image by pasting the URL address in this particular box. And I can paste by using the key Control V. And then there's the preview of your image. Press the select button, and the image will load into your slide. Then you can resize the image again by clicking on your mouse and dragging your finger on the trackpad. Again, when your pointer changes to a 4-sided arrow, you can click, hold, and push the image wherever you want it to go. Okay, so that's 2 ways of inserting an image. I'm going to show you the third way you can do it. Mrs. Morneau has put images in your Google Drive, shared a folder with you. So I'm going to select again, Insert, Image, and this time I'm going to select Google Drive. Notice the folder that was shared with you. So double click on it to open it up. And now you can click on the scroll bar until you find your particular life cycle. I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to borrow one. There's a dragonfly right here. So I'm going to click on it and press select, and it is going to load on my slide. There it is. Okay, so again, you can grab any corner and resize. It doesn't matter as long as it's a corner, so that when you resize it, it remains the same proportion. And you can center it on your slide by moving it back and forth, and when you have that red line, release your mouse and it will be centered on your slide. So those are 3 ways that you can insert an image. We will go over them in class.